Hello, bình sẽ là mua nó sẽ thể hiện an ảo cả thế nhé.
Anh em cho nên thì nghe mình trả đuổi em ó, nghe soi đuổi anh này về cần riêng à.
So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How many of you can understand English? Can you raise your hand? Okay, remaining don't. No issues. So, you have to help me. I will go slow and I will not speak much. No issues. Well, first of all, thank you for welcoming me in your life.
Oh, when ya min lau the son thap na te min lau welcome to ang rema min lau rom na te rom me me
Why I said in your life? Because Vestige is a family.
min na min lau rom na chan tu Vestige chung kwa kan ni.
Moreover, I would like to congratulate you that Mizoram is the only state in Northeast which has a VMCM member.
So he VMCM member kan man kan ni.
And she is none other than your applying Mariam. Big round of applause for her. Guys, do you know like just I was coming on to it. You know what is the importance of VMCM? VMCM, Vestige Millennial Council member.
Vestige Millennial Council member ni pui mo na kan siya to kan.
It is parallel to the level of an ambassador. Yeah, it is parallel. Yeah, ambassador.
Ambassador tu kan siya na dro kami hindi na India ram te pon ay o katiang ang kopa din mon.
This is the prestige. This is the prestige given to those who really care for their team and are instrumental for the growth of the company.
He din mon sang hi Vestige company team nei ru le nei cha ba ka an man team te care tak tak katiang ang te choi na an hau pha an lua pha din mon sang le e zau mani.
You know, I have seen Mariam working, acting like a mother, an elder sister, a friend for all of you.
Invite Daniel Remy nu ang te u ang te mo leizon ang te a enthusiastic a hetiang ang kakapumuchi na te.
Guys, it makes me really proud that being in such a small state, many of us among us have created history, making their checks go high.
Hetiang kapa state liat pon ni law at sanga mi roting tak tak in aron chair swak jo hi kapu hianin ka chuang ka lo chuang ro ni ting so.
I'm also proud that Mizoram is the only northeastern state apart from Assam where Mr. Bali has frequently visited, and it is not due to his wish but due to your efforts.
Mizoram hi northeast apo hianin kan hau tu ber ku Bali na ato zin ber le angai ru hinang mani hin tho ho in tho rim na bang ani hinang mani za
But now, it is the time that we have to take a challenge.
tu na ro chuan chom na chu tiam taka kan putan min ngai sak le BMC nge khatiam member nei tu te kan ni na khan chom na e kan ma chona ngai ta.
I need more people to be part of that council, Vestige Millennial Council.
Vestige Millionaires Council a hianin mitamzo member in Roni hi ka obesi.
I want to see the glory back where we did more than 4 crore of sale in a single month.
Thakata 4 crores ayatam kan sales ani ka ka obesi.
Can we do 5 crore from Mizoram?
5 crores ka ti thayem.
Yes?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
More louder, it should be louder. Yes. So guys, it's my promise that if you keep on going, all the events which are planned for Guwahati will be duplicated here.
Tu tiang ma kan ti theni chuan Guwahati a ti thil buntum ang te tiang ang kha khami duplicate kha Mizoram a yan azora tu tiang ma ti chu ti turin ka challenge ka chau ni ti chu.
You recall the women empowerment event we did? Women empowerment event we did in Aizhol. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Want it again?
Indulem, kandulem.
Yes?
Yes.
So guys, very soon, probably in the month of Feb, we are doing it in Guwahati, and by March or April, we'll duplicate that event again in Aizawl.
March bela goti kantenga. Nazar.
In Aizawl, we may duplicate it by April.
April bela zon aizola ka event ka katile donen.
But for that, we need more and more achievers. Are you ready for that? So, can we take a target of 5 crore by another 6 months?
Tharuk chungin 5 crores kan target thengem.
Yes? So, nothing to say much because I'm a sales guy, no numbers. So, if you can promise me number, I will promise you the services. So, thank you from my side, and Merry Christmas in advance. Thank you.